Super. I'm recording. Okay. How are you all? Okay. Just let me know in the chat. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? So if you ask me, like whenever I invest, I feel that yes, I feel that I'm rich. I'm investing in some tool technology to grow business. Okay. So one sec, I'll be sharing the message. Would be sharing the recording. Krishna, you are there live, then no need to refer the recording. Yes. So excited. Super, Vijay. Yes, happy to see the energy. Okay, super. So always be excited, always be energetic, always be super duper in high mood. Okay. So what I'm going to do today, is I'm going to share different tools and technologies which are going to help you to grow your business. Okay, the tools and technologies which are going to help you to grow your business. Okay, so let me know your business, what exact business you are doing, whatever you are into. Let me know your business. You may be coach, consultant, or whatever. See, why I'm asking you this question is accordingly I can help you. Okay, I can share how these tools can help you to grow your business. Okay, yes, superb. Krishna is into consulting, very good. Belur is into cricket and recruitment manager. Wow. Okay, Vijay is into food business, fantastic. Kalyan into furniture wholesale. Deepak ji into clinics and academy. Pooja is into life coach, excellent. Deepak ji is into products. Wow. Okay, so accordingly I'm going to help you. Sunal is into consulting, fantastic. Okay, so now yes, without okay, super. So now this is going to be around 1 hour session. In this session I'm going to help you around nine products or the tools, okay, which are going to help you to grow your business faster. How these tools can help you to scale up your business, those things I'm going to share. Okay, super. Kritika is into preschool and daycare. Okay, good to know. Okay, so now let us begin. Let's begin directly. Okay, those days are over. Like without any weapon or any tool or technology, I'm going to grow. No. Now, if you ask me, okay, you take any company, okay, you take any company, they all are world's #1 or India's #1 because of some tools or technology. How many of you think that tools and technology are real backbone to scale business? Type TT, tools and technology. Yes, Anil Kumar, Belur, Vijay. To give example, can you share the top companies in India or world? You can name any company in the world or India. Okay, you'll understand that which tool or which technology is helping them. Okay, you can take, or in your niche, what is the top company? Okay, very good. Thank you, Heming. So Amazon, okay, what they are doing, they are completely dependent on the e-commerce technology. Google, okay, all about this cloud computing. Okay, WhatsApp is again cloud technology. Okay, Facebook is something technology. Try to understand, friends. These are all the top companies in the world, and all are dependent on technology or tools. Sound नहीं आ रही है? I hope सभी लोगों को सुनाई दे रहा है. Okay. Maybe what you can do, NS Echo Media, you can just, yes, I can understand. Thank you, Belur. So what you can do is you can just leave the meeting, again rejoin it, or just check your audio option. Okay, हो सकता है. Okay, कुछ भी challenges आ सकता है. So Okay, so why I'm sharing these things? So even try to understand the Reliance Industries, they are great in market, but because of one tool, that one geo mission, okay, they became greatest in the world. Okay, so why I'm sharing all these things is, now if you want to grow faster, if you want to come back, okay, yeah, so any company, whoever is growing in industry or market, they are growing because of some tools or technology. Okay, try to understand, because of these say maybe in case of Belur, he's into cricket. Okay, why cricket is so much famous? Because all the technologies capturing each and every moment, okay, the slow ball, the replays, okay, and the kind of say animations, whether it is going to hit the stump. Are you getting me? So whether this LBW is, see, you can see like, if you're watching the cricket match live in the sense on the ground and watching on TV, if you ask me, okay, even most of people agree with this, is it's great to watch on TV. The reason is there is you can watch the replays. Okay, you can understand where the ball is hitting and you can see everyone closely, right? So, and even you can see all the statistics while on the ground. Okay, so I have watched only 2 matches in Pune. So what happened during that is like, whenever everyone shouts, okay, we have to be part of the these things. Okay, so that exciting is there, people shouting yes Belur. Okay, so that excitement is different, so I enjoyed it. Anyway, let's come back. So what I mean to say is so to grow, okay, we need tools and technology. This is the only thing I want to share. So now let me help you how, which tool and technology is going to help you. Okay, I'll be sharing 9 tools and technologies. Okay, so let's directly share my screen. Okay, I'm sharing complete screen. You can see my screen. Okay, so one, wave video, second is Pictory, hosting, next is Fred Simple, Kirim Mail, WhatsApp widget, 12-minute book summaries, app my site, live webinar, Vapar, followed by on WhatsApp, Bigwoo. Okay, there are many tools coming up. So let me share one by one in detail. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, okay, let me share one, and then immediately I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, I'll just take only 2 or 3 questions, but I request you to ask in the chat, and maybe at the end I'll share you more details. Okay, so let's start one by one. Okay, one sec. I'll go back. I'll just open a new tab. Okay, wave video. This is the best tool to create video from the template. Create video from template. Okay, let us see one video so that you can understand in better way. So let me share again. This is the video. I want you to see it.
Looking for an easy way to create, repurpose, and distribute videos? Wave.video has it all. Our designers and video marketing experts have created thousands of brilliant templates that you can customize for your business. We even have a social media calendar with ready-to-go videos you can post every single day. Upload your media, mix it with stock assets, combine as many photos and videos as you like. Choose from our massive library of 400 million beautiful videos, images, and audio clips to tell your story. Customize the video to your liking. Add a twist to your text, scale, rotate, and freely move it around the canvas. Enhance your video with graphics and animated stickers. Play with a collection of layouts to get the look you want with just one click. Create presets for your brands. Save your logos, fonts, and color palettes for each. Instantly apply the branding kit to your content to streamline your video production. Complete the story with a powerful call to action. Make the most out of your video. Turn it into dozens of content pieces optimized for each channel. Use folders to organize visuals for your campaigns. Take advantage of Wave.video's cloud-based video hosting services. Upload long-form videos such as webinars or product demos to publish them hassle-free. Create promotional campaigns by repurposing hosted videos for all your marketing channels. Post to social media, in your stories, embed on your website, on your blog. Fine-tune the video player to match your website. With a few clicks, auto-generate video landing pages. Send them via email, messengers, and chatbots. No worries if you need to tweak your embedded video. Edit right there on the platform, and it will automatically be updated everywhere. Wave.video has everything you need for your video marketing and is super easy to use. Check it out yourself now. Sign up for free.
Okay. I hope you're at least getting something. Okay, super. So everything you need to power your video marketing. Okay, this is amazing tool. I'm using it. Okay. You can create by using the readily available tools. Okay, so right now I have less time, so I can show you live demo, but okay, let me just show you what I can say, live demo for just a few minutes. So example, you have to go to the templates. Just click on the any template. Say, you can see so many templates are there. Okay, you can see so many templates are there. Live streaming or new templates. You can see here 3 ideas for celebrating Thanksgiving during a pandemic. Okay, so this is vertical style. If you want to make it horizontal style, just click on this horizontal. Automatically, it is going to adjust. If you want square size, automatically it is going to adjust. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Okay, so now you have to just click on this edit and you can change any content, color, everything. Okay, in just a few clicks, you can change the contents. Okay, so, okay, I'll show you one more example. This content you can create whatever the way you want. That's it. This is of just 13 seconds, but going to create a lot of amazing impact. Okay, so how to do it? Okay, instead of, if you want to create this kind of video, outside people are charging at least 5,000 to 10,000 rupees, right? So by using this tool, you can create without any cost in just a few minutes. Okay, so I hope this much enough is information is sufficient for you. A lot of information is there. Okay, web video editor, web video hosting, and okay, you can refer all the around 200 million, that is 2 crore stock videos are there. You can imagine like what kind of video content they are having. Okay, so if you see here, so let me click on edit template. Question is coming, please, I want help. I have not yet downloaded WhatsApp Business without missing any content. How can I do it? Saba, right now we are in different topic. Maybe maybe on another top, whenever we are having WhatsApp, that time I can definitely help you. Okay, say example. Okay, say example, I'm here, so I want to change this image. I want to say replace this video. So search library, I can say coach. Okay, so I'm going to click on coach. You can select, oops, I have selected it. Instead, you can just click on replace. And please see here what is going to happen. You can see here, this is completely replaced. Okay, let me play only this much. Okay, started from 0. See, like you have to make sure that the video is properly embedded. That's it. This content and everything you can change it. This content and everything you can change it. It's okay, Saba. It's okay. What I want is you just connect in this group. It is ourarea.in/WhatsApp Business Automation WhatsApp group. If you are in this group, you'll get update when you are going to have the WhatsApp related queries. Okay, so whenever I'll be having the session, you can be there. Okay, so now let me come back to this tool. Okay, so that's it. If you see the pricing of these things, it is very, very costly. You can see all the references. What I'll do, I'll share this link. Okay, this link in the group. Which group? I hope you are already there in the group. When is the event? Okay, already started. Okay, so how to help? Let me stop sharing. Okay. Okay, let me share you. Yeah. Okay, already you are there, but maybe some of you may not be there. Okay, and this is only one group I'm having. This means that only, and again, this group will be closed. Yeah, I shared the WhatsApp group link. If you're not there in the group, just join now. Okay, so you'll get all the updates in the group only. Okay, the group only. Let me share that link in the group so that copied and here. Okay, some people are joining now. Join now for live demo of tools and technologies. Okay, fine. So this is okay. Some questions are most welcome, Faizi. Yeah. So now the next part. The first is about how to create a video by referring the tools. Okay. The next tool. Okay. The next tool. Let me share the screen again. The next tool is about Pictory. Okay. About Pictory. Okay. Pictory. Just imagine, friends. Now, why WhatsApp changed their name to Meta? There might be some reason behind that. They don't want to work as only social media company. Okay, like connecting people and all, doing all these things. They want to do something different. They want to go for completely a new artificial intelligence kind of things. So what they have done is they express themselves as AI company, so Meta company. Okay, so that is why the artificial intelligence concept is going to come there. Okay, so okay, let me share the screen again. Okay, so here the advantage of this. Okay, again, let us watch a video. सुपर सुपर. अगर आपको समझ में आया तो ग्रेट, नहीं आया तो नो प्रॉब्लम. If you understood, it is great. If you haven't understood, no problem. I'm going to help you. It doesn't mean that you are completely left behind. For example, if you go to Pictory, I'll show you live demo. How many of you want to see live? Type L for live. We have very less time, but still I'm going to show you something live. Okay, super. Thank you, Yogi, Vijay, Anil, Faizi, Shivraj, Saba. Oops, so many of you want to see it live. Okay, what I want is, Kalyan, yes. Can anyone share a short message about you in the Zoom chat? I'm going to help you live. Okay, short message, only 1 or 2 people. Okay, come on, let me work faster. I'm going to log in. I mean, this is short 3 or 4 lines, not only 1 word. You have anything about us or kind of thing, so just let me know. So here you can see article to video. I'm going to click on article to video. Okay, let me help you live. For example, I'm going to click on article to video. The article, for example, let me take cricket insurance. Okay, I don't know, cricket insurance. Okay, I don't know, cricket wireless. Okay, let me, fine, no problem. Let me take any one blog. I'm going to take a blog. Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you very much. You can see I'm going to click on this. I'm going to give this link to this software, this tool. I'm going to give the link of this. What it is showing? What is Cricket Protect? I don't know. Frankly, I don't know. Okay. Insurance program details, covered equipment. Something is there. Cancelled account, multiple account, phone upgrades, and something. That's it. Okay. Now I have given the code, only the link I have given to the software, and it extracted. You can see here, it automatically extracted only few lines. It automatically extracted only few lines. Click on next. How you want, landscape or portrait or square? Prefer landscape. So it may take some time. Now it is going to prepare the storyboard. You can see it is searching the media. It is searching the media, finding the best media. Okay, and this is happening automatically. This is happening automatically. Okay. Okay, Sava, I'll cover up that part also. Very, very good. Okay, excellent. This is what I'm looking for. Social media is not free. It costs you your focus. Absolutely. Okay, almost ready. Yeah, it is ready. See, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to click on preview. Without doing anything, I'm going to see how this is going to generate. Okay, so I'll just open one more time. I'm going to open one more time. Here it is taking some time. So I'll be working on the new tool, script to video. So just click on the text. For example, Saba, okay, she shared about her mission, okay, and I just entered some information. Empower women to be financially independent by giving few hours without disturbing the routine. Saba, okay, so I just mission is to empower. Okay, so I just entered some new lines, and where I am. Okay, where is the next? Yeah, click on proceed. Again, I'm going to select, say, landscape. Whether it is ready? Yeah, it is ready. First of all, let us watch it. Is it possible to make it full screen? No. Please just watch it. What is cricket? Your phone is an important part of your life. Okay. With Cricket Protect available for $8 per month, you get Cricket Protect, an optional feature that can be purchased with a new phone or phone upgrades, and some phones that are previously owned brought to cricket. BYOD insurance program details. As soon as same day track. Okay. You can see like the screen repair. Okay, automatically the video it is terms and conditions. Cancelled accounts, multiple accounts, credit card or phone upgrade, disputes. You can change these all taxes and surcharges extra, W9. Friends, I'm just created this as an example. This I have created as an example. Only for your reference. This is only for your reference. Okay, this is around 1.56. I mean, 2 minutes video. I just give, and at the end you can put all information about you. At the end you can put all the information about you. Let me try with Saba's activity. Let me click on preview. Okay. You can see this content is very, very less. So this is how much time? The total duration is 35 seconds. Try to understand each and every second matters most. So how to make best use of you. These are the tools are going to help you. Our mission, my mission, empowered 100,000 women to be financially independent. Go your own way by giving only few hours without disturbing their daily routine. Or maybe you can replace with the daily, and this is some. That's it. And for more information, connect. Okay, how many of you are loving it? Okay, just give me something. Yeah, thank you, Saba. In just a few clicks, you are. Thank you, Velur. Yes, thank you, Anil, Pooja, Santosh. I want you to take advantage of these kind of tools. Yes, Shivraj, fantastic. Yes. So these kind of tools are going to help you. Help you in what? In creating the videos in just a few clicks, in few minutes. कुछ ही मिनटों में आपने इतना जबरदस्त वीडियोस बना रहे हैं जो अटेंशन ग्रैबिंग है. Okay. So any question till now? Okay, I shown you 2 tools. There are 7 more to go. Okay. Wow, super tools which simply works. Thank you. Can you kindly share the pricing for one license for SMEs? Yes. Okay, let me share the pricing also. Let me share the pricing also. For example, if you go to the main website, okay, where it is, I'm here. Copy, I'm opening a new tab. I am opening a new tab. Maybe it will come to main login because I'm already logged, but let me see whether I can get the pricing detail. Everything is given on the site, but still I want to show you the pricing detail also, taking more time. Yes, click on the pricing. Click on the pricing. And the good news is it is around $39 per month. If you build annually, you're going to save. Yearly, you're going to save 30 these things. Okay, and if you go to premium monthly, it is costing $59 per month. Don't worry, friends. I have special good news for you. Are these tools free? No, not at all. Okay. Pattern rights issues. I'm not getting Kalyan. Okay. Yeah. Nothing is free. Okay. And you can compare all these things. You can directly buy, or here the special advantage. If you can refer all this information here. You can see some live examples. The pricing, as I said, $39 per month. If you go for annual plan, else it is $59 per month. But for you, a special offer, it is only $1,999 plus GST per year, or one time it is $6,999. Okay, I'll repeat, only $1,999 plus GST per year, or $6,999 plus GST one time. Okay, so yes, whoever is interested, they have to connect with me personally. So I'm not going to give to everyone. Most welcome. Yes, so I'll just sharing my WhatsApp number, so you can click and connect there. Okay, and same is for Wave. Okay, Wave is also the same pricing. Okay, so they are having $79 per month, but again for you it is only $1,999 per year, or $6,999 plus GST one time. Okay, one time. Okay, so you can take advantage of these tools. Okay, just to know, how many of you think like this is worth to invest? Which one you prefer, annual or one time? Type A or O. A for annual, O for one time. Okay, super. Anil says annual, Vijay says annual, Belur says one time, Santosh says annual. Super, it's up to you. Okay, so it's up to you. We will wait for your combo offer. Okay, obviously a super. Okay, super, great, thank you. Okay, Kalyan, not thought in that way. Okay, let me see what can be done. Okay, the third tool. Okay, we are having less time. Let me move faster. Is the hosting. See, example, hosting is nothing but, if you go for any hosting, they are going to charge you every month. It depends. If you know technicalities, then it's really great thing. But if you don't know the technicalities, example, you have your files ready, you know how to transfer the files through FTP, little bit technical activity. In short, for example, website is having 2 or 3 important elements. Number one is the domain name, abcd.com. That is the domain name. Irrespective, you pay any amount, you have to renew every year. Okay, please remember these things. Anyone says, no, sir, you have to pay only one time. Okay, that is not at all possible. Okay, that is the domain name. Okay, next comes is the where you are going to keep all your files, images, contents, and all the files. You're going to put it. Okay, that is known as hosting. Domain hosting. Okay, data. Yes. So that is nothing but hosting. So for hosting, to maintain that files, we have to pay something to someone, and that company like GoDaddy, Google, Hostinger, there are so many companies out there. They charge, it varies from 1,000 to 1 lakh. Why so much difference is there? Because shared hosting, cloud hosting, there are many types of hostings are there. So considering the interest of the small and medium scale entrepreneurs, I thought something, and I thought to share, and that is the shared hosting. Forget about the technicalities and all these things. You'll be given the access to through FTP. You can host all the files, whatever the number of files you are having complete control, and you can manage your hosting. Okay, so instead of paying too heavy charges to GoDaddy or other companies, you can pay very okay. FTP means file transfer protocol. Okay, that is a system through which we can transfer the files from our computer to the cloud server, cloud server, that is known as FTP, file transfer protocol. Okay, some technicalities, just ignore. To understand in the simplest way, okay, we are going to help you to create your own website. Okay, and you have to just pay for monthly or one time. Okay, that is the hosting part. Definitely you have to own your domain. Okay, the domain is your responsibility. Okay, about the hosting, there are a lot of features. Okay, especially this comes with the SSL, and so many things are there. You can go through it. Okay, and again, the special offer is 1,999 plus per year, or 6,999 one time. Okay, one time. Okay, no need to pay. See, this one time means consider at least for 10 to 20 years. Okay, and it may continue for more and more years. Okay, super. Okay, so I think hosting is the third part I thought to share with you. Any question related to hosting, please ask in the chat. Any question related to hosting, you can ask in the chat. Okay, so let me go ahead. Yes. Okay, combo and these things I haven't thought of. Can we edit our content of our site? 100% yes. 100% yes, Santosh. Okay, 100% yes. Okay, let me go to the next tool. We have 20 more minutes. Okay, let me go to the next tool. Next tool is Spread Simple. Spread Simple. Okay, this is amazing tool. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open in my browser. So tell us about WhatsApp Business Tool. You have to just wait. I'll be covering up one by one. There are total 9 tools. It will be coming very soon. So next is about the Spread Simple tool. Okay, Spread Simple. For example, you use Google Sheet. But that Google Sheet is not having that much power. It is just rows and columns with the data. But instead of this, if you can convert into amazing, I'll show you Spread Simple. Instead of pricing, let us see the live. Okay, let us see the live. Spread Simple is similar to Excel. No. It is, see, you have to do everything in the Google Sheet, and automatically you can see here, you're changing something, the name of the file and the price. Automatically this site is going to change. Are you getting me? You don't have to do all this design. Okay, you don't have to do all this design. It will just change the content automatically. Let us watch a video.
So you want to create a website. There are plenty of ways to do this. Of course, each one requires a budget and time for configuration. But with these solutions, regular content management can be a real hassle. That's why so many people prepare data in spreadsheets and then add it to the website console manually. But why not use our beloved spreadsheets directly to create and manage a website? Now you can, using Spread Simple, your blazing fast way to create and manage websites. It uses data in Google Sheets to create styled websites with a variety of customizable features. First, let's create a Google Sheet with a list of our inventory. Add some columns.
You can see here, the columns are there, content is added, emails are added, image links are added, and you have to keep it globally.
Simple,
and
add.
Create a website, paste the link, click on continue,
and you get an
that's
automatically
it.
generated website.
That's it. Automatically, you can see the content has been created automatically. If you want to add the category
column to the website
and
elements.
the sheet column, whatever you want to add. Okay, you want lesser content, more content, so filter by pricing, and everything is going to be there.
Sorting, pagination, all these features literally work instantly. Now let's change the appearance of our
The
site.
appearance of the content,
Change
you
the
want to
theme.
change it. You want to theme white or black.
Add a logo.
You want to
And
change
a
the
beautiful
content of the
cover
header.
image. You can upload your own or find a royalty-free picture right there. Change the text.
Description, you can change it. Pagination, it can be done.
Now it's time to publish the website.
Now this is
You can
the,
use our subdomain or add your own.
that's it.
Looks nice, right?
That's it.
Need to enable your customers to place orders? Easy. Just activate the buy button. Now your users can add items to their cart and make an order. You'll receive a notification when they do. That's it. We just created a website in a few minutes. Now, if you update the content in your Google Sheet, the website will instantly reflect the changes. Don't know where to start? Check out our templates. There's more to come. Stay tuned.
I hope
So,
you are
want to
getting
create a
it.
website.
Let
There are
me
plenty of ways to do this. Of course, each one requires a budget and time for configuration. But with these solutions, regular content
Okay.
management.
Yeah, I have stopped it. I think you are understanding the power. So here, friends, I want to share with you, you have to just update. Can cricket stats be done? See, especially this is the best if you are going to say show some images, some title, some description, and click to pay. That's it. You enter the price. So the value of this is say 100 rupees and you are giving at 80 rupees and you want to put some any formula and everything in the sheet. And accordingly, all the data is coming here. And anyone is going to click on that link, automatically that something is going to happen. Something is going to happen. How about Word? Word, no need to use Word. You can add the content, everything in the Google Sheet. Okay. How can we keep our own pictures? Okay, keep it in Google Drive and make it share it with anyone and share that link in the Google Sheet. Automatically, those images will be picked up. I hope you are getting Kalyan. Okay, super. So this is known as Spread Simple. Okay, Spread Simple. So amazing tool. So okay, you can refer. Even say you're having any restaurant or hotel, you want to showcase all the things. Okay, add to cart. So everything, so many things that are upgrading. So you can see here that even the food delivery on WhatsApp. Okay, let me here. Okay, you can see so many templates are view website. Yeah, so here you can see the food delivery. Okay, local, fresh and fast. You can see website and everything is there. Okay, so I'm interested in this. I clicked on add. I have added it. Okay, now I'm going to close it. I'm interested in this. I'm going to click on the add. Now the amount is different. I'm interested in the next part, out of stock. Okay, you can see here, out of stock also it is showing. Okay, so now if I click on this image, anything is, yeah, you can see here, bigger information is going to come here. That's truly great. That is truly great. I'm going to click on the add to order. Now I'm going to click on checkout. I have to enter my details. My name is Mahesh. My WhatsApp number is something. My address is something. And thanks. Okay. And where is the button to, yeah, checkout? So just click on checkout. Okay, something is required. A regular delivery. Okay. And checkout. Okay, that's it. That's it. And you can see here, what happened. Phone number shared is invalid. Okay, so that is their problem. That is some, we have to make sure that the number, whatever they have shared, is correct. Okay, so this number is not correct. So that is the problem. Okay, so that's it. So you will come to know at the back end what is happening. What is happening? Okay, guys, let me go faster. So this is very simple. You can refer this sheet for all the information. It is per year 999 rupees, or one time it is 3,999 rupees. Okay, please note down all these things, and this is going to be valid for, these prices are valid till tomorrow only. Okay, these prices may get revised anytime. Okay, so that is why I'm not sharing the pricing and all these things in the sheet. Yeah, but whatever you are going to pay now, it will be fixed forever. Okay, at least till you are going to renew it. Okay, next is the email automation. Email automation. For example, if you see ConvertKit, GetResponse, there are so many powerful email automation tools are there. I have used all these things. Okay, I have used all the things, but the main challenge is these tools available as apps or only web-based? These are web-based only. Okay, these are only web-based. Okay, and I'll share with you. See, web-based is more preferred. The reason is you can do a lot of things on PC. Okay, let it be laptop or computer. Okay, and if you do it on mobile, you have to pay a lot. Okay, the easy will be, okay, you have to just work one time and use it. So what I was sharing is about the email automation. So email automation is nothing but, say example, anyone is going to subscribe, whether whatever the email he entered is correct or not. How you are going to come to know? You don't know. So that tool is going to help you to understand whether the email entered is correct or not. Okay, we have to check it, because else we'll say, like, I'm having 10,000 email, but out of that, how many are active? We don't know. Okay, so that checking is required. First thing. Second is, you're having, say, 500 or 5,000 or 10,000 emails. Okay, forget about how many emails you are having. What is more important is connecting with them. Connecting with them. Okay, if you can interact with these people, then yes, you are going to get a lot of benefits. Okay, but how to do it? Okay, how to do it? So this training I'll be providing along with this, the tool, along with the tool. And these tools, whatever I'm sharing, is very, very nominal in cost. Very, very nominal in cost. Okay, so okay, let me share what is the costing of that also. Let me open the sheet. It is Kirim email. So automatically you're going to clean up the email, unlimited contacts. Okay, there is constraint of how many emails you're going to send. You can refer this, refer these things. You can see here, drag and drop email builder is there, single opt-in is there, double opt-in is there. So many things are there. And you are going to get the access, and you can send 5 lakh emails per year. Okay, this is very, very good number, 5 lakh emails per year. And you can access to the training resources. It is again 1,999 rupees per year, or 6,999 lifetime. Okay, no need to pay every year. Okay, one time you're going to invest and you're going to enjoy this benefit. Okay, so this is a really, really a great tool you are going to have. Okay, so this is the, I hope it is the 5th tool, Kirim. 4 more to go. Let's move to the next one, that is WhatsApp widget. WhatsApp. Okay, nowadays people are calling me as WhatsApp master. Okay, I really appreciate that. So here, WhatsApp widget. So especially WhatsApp widget is going to help you to connect. Okay, so it is going to help you to you can have the control panel. You can see all the statistics, leads, and agents performance, how it is performing. You can connect with everything. Okay, so many tools are there. Okay, maybe right now I'll just show you one.
Hello, today we're going to see how to quickly connect.
Just to see here,
I'm just going to
live.
navigate, and
I'll
here I'm
move
going to
faster.
Stripe. And so simply go here and just
So you can connect
back
to
in
your
here,
payment
where I
gateway.
simply have. So I'm going to use the phone number that's associated with
You
my
want to
Chatbook
connect
account.
with your email ID,
Again, I'm
email
US
ID,
email
and then
for
you have to connect it one time. Now it is
my address
connected.
name. It's pretty
Now it's connected.
Here I'm going to select
Which
the bank
payment
that
account you want to connect, so that that way you can connect your payment account also, and you can start receiving the payment
then
links.
I simply, and I can call it 30-minute.
Okay, now you're going to create a product. Okay, at 30 minutes. So these things URL to redirect after payment. After you are one is going to make the payment. Okay,
and I can simply copy this link
the link
and share it wherever I'd like to collect payments from. Chatbook account to Stripe to start collecting.
That's it. And how many people bought it? Everything you can see it there. Okay, so amazing tool. Okay, so it is again lifetime. It is one tool is costing 1,999. WhatsApp widget. So we have less time right now. I have 7 more minutes. So I'll just cover up the other 3 tools. Next. Okay, till now how many covered? 6 I covered. There are total 12. Oh. Okay, 12-minute book summaries. For example, how many of you might have attended one of my session? I said like stop reading the books. Stop reading the books. Instead, first listen to audio book summaries. I'm doing this. Okay, instead of referring a big content of say 100 to 400 pages content, going through all the content, first of all I go through the summary, and after referring the summary, if I think I must go for reading the complete book, then I jump to the book. Okay, so this 12-minute book summary is amazing tool. Okay, so this is also going to be helpful. App My Site. App My Site is how to convert your website into app format. Remember, if you go to say Android app developer or iOS developer, they are going to charge in heavy amount. So instead, you can convert your WordPress. Yeah, right now it works with only WordPress site. You can convert your WordPress site into app. Okay, so the advantage of the app is it is very, very mobile friendly. People love to interact on mobile rather than interacting on PC. Okay, so this is also very, very great tool. So you can definitely go for it. Okay, so this is about what? This is about app. Okay, let me jump to the next tool, and it is live webinar. Okay, so right now we are in the Zoom. You are aware, you can see like from last 58 minutes. Okay, we are live. Okay, in case of free things, we can get it only 40 minutes timing. Again, we can't get the recording. So to overcome this challenge, we have to go for paid tool or paid services. And go for paid services, they charge around 1,000 to 2,000 rupees per month, or you can say around 12,000 to 24,000 per year. So instead of paying this regular payment, there is an option to pay very nominal and one time, or whatever the things you can select. There are 2 options. One is the nominal, another is one time. Okay, so you can choose, and that is known as live webinar. Okay, live webinar. Let me show you some of the features of that. So you can see here, amazing facility. It is exactly similar to Zoom. Okay, you can see a lot of details also inside that. You can change the background. You can interact with the emojis. You can see what is happening. You can share the sheet or document or the files. Okay, so many things are there. Okay, definitely in case of shared thing, the limitation is we have to adjust. And remember, these tools will be shared with only 3 people. Okay, so that is one more limitations are there. So who are the first 3 people are going to some tools. Okay, some tools there is no constraint. Okay, so the next thing is Vapar. Okay, Vapar is mobile friendly and especially a great tool to manage kind of say WhatsApp CRM, customer relationship management. So how you are going to manage the customers? Okay, example, you're selling say different products, physical or digital. You can put up all the store here. You can manage the payment gateway and integration also. And whoever is going to buy, you'll come to know what is happening. And even at the back end, you can see all the details of that. Okay, so this is also amazing tool. Okay, Vapar. Okay, so right now I'm giving you. Okay, yes, welcome Bhavishaji. Okay, no problem. Welcome. Okay, this is one more great tool. Next is on WhatsApp. Nowadays, I'm bringing whatever the maximum tools are possible. Whatever the maximum tools are possible on WhatsApp. The reason for WhatsApp is, for example, you are having a store or your products or services listed here. Anyone is going to click on buy and these things and click on submit, and you will come to know via WhatsApp. You will come to know via WhatsApp. That's it. This is the easiest and the best way, okay, to collect all the things. You can add unlimited product. You can add unlimited 50 stores, I hope. Okay, and the pricing you can set it. The conditions you can add up. Categories, subcategories you can create. That's it. This is also a great thing. You can get it. So at very, very nominal cost. Okay, 999 rupees per year or 3,999 one time. Send me. Okay. Yes, Bhavisha ji, aapke liye done. Okay, and the next one is the Big Woo. Okay, this is amazing tool for teleprompting. Okay, right now we have less time. Maybe what I'll do is what I can do. Okay, tomorrow I can cover up some more points. Okay, tomorrow. See, I'm here to help you. Okay, send me. Okay, if anyone replied on WhatsApp, can we send back message by his name automatically? By his name. Yeah, it is possible, but not in these tools. Okay, there are different tools, Dinesh. Okay, these tools are in different these things. That is not possible here, but yes, it is possible. Okay, see, every tool is having certain advantages, certain limitations also. Okay, think out of these, say 12 tools, which are going to be helpful. Okay, I'm sharing this link of these tools in the WhatsApp group. I hope you are already there in the group. All tools for your reference. Okay. Yes, I have shared. Okay, you want to see the link? The link of the group. Let me share the link of the group. Oops, where it is? Just a minute. Yeah, I got it. And if you want to see the magic, I'll show you the magic also. Yeah, you can join the group. Raj, can you? Okay. Please join the group. Okay, what I'll do, I'll help you with the recording. No problem. Okay, in the group only, I'm going to share the recording. But again, this will be for very limited today only. Maybe till tomorrow, I'll be keeping this recording. Okay, till tomorrow, I'll be keeping this. Kindly add me in the WhatsApp group. What is the group name? The group name, I shared the group link. The group name is Business Growth Tools. business growth tools. Okay, some people are just joining in. No problem. I'll be sharing the recordings also there. Okay. Okay, let me see whether the magic is going to work or not. Let me see. The magic is going to work or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you one link in the Zoom chat. Just click on this link and you are going to send me a message. My WhatsApp must be on. Let me see. Just click on this link and send me a message. Okay, super. Are you are so fast. Oh yeah, it is working. It is working. Yeah, it is working. Okay, it is working. What I mean to say is you are getting this group link and all the information about the tools. Okay, you can see like so many people are clicking here. So you can see here business growth tools and the details. All the information is coming automatically. Okay, Suresh is there. I hope this is Venkatesh and some new people. Whoever are connecting, they are going to get this automatic information. Thank you. You are in the group. Very, very good, Raj. Okay. Yes, yes. Pooja is also connecting. Super, super. Okay. Done from my side. Maybe I'm conducting one more session. Like yesterday, I took WhatsApp business automation, how you can scale your business, increase your revenue by 3x in 3 months. Okay, if you're interested, just be there in the group. Maybe I'll share one more link in the group. Yes, yes, Sava. I'll share that in the group link. Yeah, in the group, I'm going to share. See, I really want to help, but I want to help only those people who are going to take action. Okay, see, you just invest and don't do anything. Okay, don't do anything. Then what? Result is going to be zero. To overcome this challenge. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you very much. See, when you say like, yes, because of you, because of kind of say association, okay, I'm getting awesome tools at so much less cost. And the good thing is you are not going to try something illogical things. Okay, many times कभी-कभी क्या होता है दोस्तों कि हम ना कुछ तो ले लेते हैं. क्यों लेते हैं? क्योंकि किसी ने बोल दिया. And you are aware, like including me, many coaches, consultants, they share the affiliate links. Okay, if you buy anything, they are going to get the benefit. Definitely, I'm going to get the benefit, but here I'm taking the responsibility of that training. Definitely, I'm not going to handhold each and every one. Okay, I'll be giving you the recordings. Maybe once in a month, we are going to meet and we are going to resolve the queries. Right? Yes, please. Thank you very much. So tomorrow I'm thinking to conduct one more session on these tools to answer all your queries. Okay, today maybe I'm not able to answer all your queries, but yes, tomorrow 100% I'm going to answer. But still, if you have any question, you can raise your hand. I'm going to answer 2-3 questions. 4 more minutes. Dhanyavad, Belur. Okay, any questions you have, you can just raise your hand. I'm going to answer for next 4 more minutes. Yes, Belur. Oops, I'm sorry. Yeah.
See, how to find a WhatsApp business, you said business group or something, only admins can reply on that.
Correct.
But
So this is admin group. Correct.
only
Right,
admins can do it. Business growth tools. I just joined. Only admins can reply.
100% right. I don't want any mess in the group.
So I've just joined that group.
Fantastic.
That's what I just wanted to tell.
Okay, no problem. It is easy. Like you have to just click and join. That's it. The system works.
Okay.
System always works.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Anyone have any question? Question नहीं है. इसके 2 reason हो सकते हैं दोस्तों. Okay. One is कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आया. Okay. कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आया. और दूसरा सब कुछ समझ में आया. Okay. सब कुछ समझ में आया. Okay. chances are very, very less. Okay, but still I'm there, need to explore more. That's why no question. Yeah, I can understand, Dinesh. Affiliate marketing link पे पूछना है. Yes, Bhavisha, please raise your hand or I'm going to unmute you. Yes, you can click on unmute. हाँ बोलिए.
हाँ, गुड इवनिंग सर.
Good evening, Bhavisha जी. Please go ahead.
जैसे आप जानते हो मैं गर्भ संस्कार कोच हूँ, तो मेरा मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन नेक्स्ट मंथ अभी आ जाएगा गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे.
Wow.
तो मैं ऐसा चाहती थी कि फर्स्ट क्राई जो है, जो बेबी और मदर से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी चीजें वो बेचता है ऑनलाइन,
Correct.
बहुत नंबर 1 है वो.
Yes.
तो उसके साथ मुझे अफिलिएट मार्केट मतलब करना है.
Yes.
क्योंकि जो भी मदर्स मेरे साथ जुड़ेगी उनको तो वो सारी चीजें चाहिए रहेगी. तो
Correct.
वो फर्स्ट क्राई से खरीदे, तो अगर वो मेरे थ्रू खरीदे तो मेरा भी इनकम बढ़ सकता है ना, इनकम का एक नया स्रोत मिल सकता है.
Yes.
लेकिन समहाउ मैंने यूट्यूब पे वो वीडियोस वगैरह देखे, लेकिन कहीं से भी मुझे वो आइडिया नहीं आया कि फर्स्ट क्राई के साथ मुझे अफिलिएट करना हो तो किस प्रकार करूं. क्या आप मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हैं सर?
Yes. आज तो हम टूल्स और टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो मे बी दिस इज एफिलिएट के लिए रिलेटेड है. इसके ऊपर हम अलग दिन बात करेंगे. ओके, आज ना हम कौन से
इसलिए
टूल्स.
मैंने पूछा.
हाँ, no issues. Okay, no issues. So maybe tomorrow you can ask this question. So I'll immediately start helping you in just few minutes. Tomorrow 7 PM. Okay, कल मैं आपको.
ठीक है सर.
Thank you.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच.
Most welcome. इसका लाइव हम कल रिजॉल्व करेंगे. Yes, please. Thank you.
ठीक है, थैंक यू.
Need to reply by name on WhatsApp automatic. Please suggest a tool. Date to reply by name. Okay, Dinesh, can you unmute yourself? Where are you here? Yeah, please ask your question.
Good evening. Basically, I am getting numerous messages on a daily basis.
Correct.
200-300 messages आते हैं.
हाँ.
So let's say if I reply by their name automatically.
Correct.
So it gives a good impact.
100%.
So वो एक system जो है वो like I need to understand how can we do it.
For example, अगर मैं आपको WhatsApp करता हूँ, आपके मोबाइल में मेरा नाम सेव है या yes or no? से no.
नहीं, unknown नंबर से मैसेज आया पहले.
unknown है, तो आप कैसे मुझे मेरा नाम आपको मालूम है?
वही मैं पूछूं कि ऐसा कोई टूल हो या
नहीं है. ओके, जो as of now नहीं है तो नहीं है. ओके, तो आप किधर भी ढूंढेंगे तो भी नहीं मिलेगा.
नाम से सेव होगा तो मिलेगा, तो रिप्लाई हो सकता है ऑटोमेटिक.
करेक्ट. अगर आप उनका नाम सेव करते हैं, तो उसके बाद एग्जांपल आपने मेरा नाम सेव करके रखा है.
ठीक है.
महेश और सरनेम हसरमनी, इस तरह आपने सेव करके रखा है, और मैं कुछ तो आपको रिप्लाई देता हूँ, तब आप मुझे रिप्लाई देंगे, तब विथ नेम से जाएगा.
ओके. अब इसमें दूसरा क्वेश्चन आता है कि मैंने आपसे फर्स्ट ऑटोमेटिक क्वेश्चन पूछा व्हाट्स योर नेम, तो आपका नेम का रिप्लाई आ गया महेश. So can it stored automatically by your name?
No. See, the thing is, say example मैं सोच रहा हूँ. Okay, इसको कैसे करना है? Okay, example मैंने आपको रिप्लाई दिया है, आपने पूछा कि what is your name? मैंने आपको बोला कि hello how are you, कुछ भी लिखा है ना. उसके बाद आपने पूछा what is your name? उसके बाद उन्होंने रिप्लाई दिया I'm not getting. Okay, तो वो क्या होगा, आपका नाम मेरा नाम ही I am not getting हो जाएगा. Are you getting me?
Okay, but we can make a small kind of form कि ठीक है, उसमें fill कराया मैंने your name.
Very correct. Dinesh, try to understand. WhatsApp doesn't allow anything on their platform.
Okay.
Getting me? WhatsApp बोलता है कि यार मैं WhatsApp में यार. है ना, तो मैं यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं करूंगा, क्योंकि that is a trust factor. Okay, number 1. तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Okay, good to know. Click here to fill up the form. That's it. तो वो फॉर्म भरेंगे तो उनका बैकएंड में हम सेव कर सकते हैं जिधर चाहिए उधर.
सेव तो हो गया, बट ऑफ कोर्स सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिक चाहिए, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ इन्वॉल्वमेंट इज देयर. डेली बेसिस पे वो नाम आया, सेव करो, नहीं रिप्लाई किया.
सेव आपको नहीं करना है. एग्जांपल इमीडिएटली. ओके, maybe we can just has to do some coding कि अगर किसी का नाम नहीं है तो फॉर्म जाएगा. Okay, I'm not having your name, can you just fill up this form? Okay, so that I can interact with you in better way. Okay, तो उसके बाद वो फॉर्म फिल अप करेंगे तो डेटाबेस में सेव होगा, एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम से फॉर्म के साथ रिस्पॉन्स होगा. डियर दिलीप, डियर भविष्य, डियर शिवराज.
ओके ओके ओके, साउंड्स गुड. अगर ऐसा हो जाता है तो
सब कुछ पॉसिबल है, बट इसके लिए गुड बजट भी होना चाहिए, ऐसा एक है.
Maybe I will talk to you personally, like what would be the budget of the whole thing.
Done.
Right.
Okay,
Thank you.
super
Thank you.
guys. I'm really thankful to you all. Okay, I hope you are all testing I can see the background music. So let me share the magic tool again. आपको करना क्या है, यहाँ पर क्लिक करिए and how to buy Pictory. Yeah, you can immediately go for it, Santosh. If anyone is interested, you can pay by this amount. See, first of all, interact with me. You can pay by UPI or to this number. Which number? This is that number already I shared with you. Okay, you can refer the website. It's there in the group. Okay, so you can invest. Okay, you can just let me know. I'll immediately share the pricing and all the costing, and you can go for it. Super. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow at 7 p.m. Okay, so if you have any questions, आज आपने देखा पूरा डिटेल में, इसको हम Q&A फॉर्मेट में रखेंगे. Okay, Q&A फॉर्मेट में रखेंगे. Maybe live training on each tool will be planned maybe next week. Okay, next week में हम प्लान करेंगे. Okay, I'll share the details to you personally. Okay, thank you very much. Let's meet tomorrow at 7 p.m. and whoever is interested to attend, this is only limited people. I'm inviting you. Where can I share? Yeah, I'll share in the group. Okay, that is only for limited people. Okay, the group link. Okay, let me share the WhatsApp group link. कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं कि I'm not having the group link. Yeah, here is the group link. So once you connect here, you're going to get the link for today's session at 9 p.m. वो सेशन हिंदी में होने वाला है, कैसे अपने बिजनेस को 3 गुना बढ़ाना है by using WhatsApp without any costly tools. Let's meet at 9 p.m. or tomorrow at 7 p.m. Thank you very much. See you. Take care. Bye. Good night.